Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about cell structures. A cell consists of different organelles which are present inside the cell. First of all, this bees-like structure is called mitochondria and dot-like structure is called vacuoles. And the smaller tubes-like structure is called centriole, and the outermost boundary is called cell membrane, in which cell is enveloped, and the yellowish liquid like jelly like materials is called cytoplasm. And inside the cells a round shape is present which is called nucleus. Nucleus is also called the brain of the cell like a human brain. And inside the nucleus a liquid like material is present which is called nucleoplasm. And inside the nucleus a thread like structure is present which is called chromatin. And the outermost boundary of the nucleus is called nuclear envelope. And nucleus, nucleoplasm, chromatin, nuclear envelope are the part of nucleus. Here we look the structure of the cells. How which type of cells shape is looked. Now we discuss about briefly of cell structure. What does a cell consist of? The cells of your body may not look the same, but they all have similar parts. Each living cell consists of living materials called protoplasm. Proto first, plasm form. Protoplasm, a jelly-like substance. About 70% of cell protoplasm is a water. Protoplasm 70% consists of water. Protoplasm contains many other substances, most of which are proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. The composition of protoplasm varies from plant to plant and from animal to animal. The protoplasm of cells in one part of your body may be different from that of cells in another part of your body. For example, the protoplasm of muscle cells is different from that of brain cells. The protoplasm of a cell is made up of three parts. Protoplasm 70% of water and consists of three parts: cell surface membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Now we discuss about the cell membrane. Cell membranes are thin sheet-like structures made up of double phospholipids layers composed of lipids or fats, phosphate groups, and proteins. You will learn more about lipids in chapter 4. Cell membranes may form a network inside the cell surrounded specialized structure called organelles within the cell. The cell surface is also bounded by a cell surface membrane. Now we discuss about the cell surface membrane. The cell surface membrane or plasma membrane surrounds the cytoplasm of the cell. The cell surface membrane is a partially permeable membrane. Partially permeable membranes means it allows some salt, some mineral into the cell and some not. This means that it allows only some substance to cross it. Hence, the cell surface membrane controls substance entering or leaving the cell. Here we also look at this picture, that's the complete structure of a cell, in which we discuss about mitochondria, vacuole, centrioles, cell membrane, cytoplasm, jelly-like structure and parts of nucleus, thread-like structure, nucleoplasm materials, and thread-like structure is called chromatin, and the nuclear envelope. These four are parts of the nucleus. I hope this lecture is very useful to learn about the cell structure. Thank you so much for listening these lectures. See you will in our next class.